Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Starbucks-style caramel macchiato right at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients: fresh espresso, vanilla syrup, your favorite milk, and rich caramel sauce. Begin by brewing 2 shots of espresso, which is approximately 2 ounces. This forms the crucial base of our delightful beverage. Have your serving glass ready for the next exciting steps in crafting this layered treat. Now, let's add that signature sweetness. Pump 2 to 3 pumps of vanilla syrup directly into the bottom of your serving glass. Next, it's time to steam your milk. Take about 8 ounces of milk and steam it until it reaches a perfect temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit. You're looking for a lovely, light, and airy foam layer to form on top, which is essential for our macchiato's texture. This is where the magic of layering happens. Gently pour your beautifully steamed milk over the vanilla syrup in your glass. Watch as the milk foam naturally separates and rises to create a distinct top layer. Now, for the star of the show, carefully add your 2 shots of freshly brewed espresso. Pour them directly through the center of the foam, allowing them to slowly cascade down, forming those iconic macchiato layers. To complete our masterpiece, it's time for the irresistible caramel drizzle. Take your caramel sauce and artfully drizzle it in a crosshatch pattern over the top layer of foam. We recommend using about 1 tablespoon of caramel to achieve that perfect balance of sweetness and rich flavor. And there, you have it, your very own homemade Starbucks-style caramel macchiato, ready to be savored and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.